Hi everyone, and welcome back to Trade Precision. It's Thursday, the last day of June, and we're setting up for a trade that we do around the open of the oil market at 9 o'clock Eastern Time. This is a simulation of this trade. We took it, sets up anytime after 9 o'clock, and there we just got filled on it. Okay, and we'll see where this one goes, and we'll do the same kind of stop setup that we've been doing with the trailing with a 19 tick on the second one and the first one. We go for one point on the profit target, 1 point. Oh, it is 1 point. It is 1 point. 10 ticks on the profit target. I must be ready for that holiday weekend. Talking a little bit strange, and so with going for 10 ticks, we'd go for 94.87, and the second one we're going to move down. We're going to try to get down to the swing low, which is like 90.40 area, around in that area. So I'll try to get down there, and we'll trail, like I said, with a 19 tick stop behind the second one. If we get the first profit target hit, if we get the first profit target hit, the second one goes right to -9, and then trail like that. So this is in the live calls room. We actually have two rooms. We have a live calls room and we have a pro room. A pro room is for people that own our system, where they can ask a lot of questions in there. In the live calls room, we just basically give you these calls, and you get to see if you like them or not, and try to manage our way through the trade. They're not all winners. We occasionally have losing trades, believe it or not. I guess I don't show too many on the videos here, but we do occasionally have them. We didn't have any today, but we occasionally do have them. And there we got filled on the first one, and you can see that thing is moving down. So let me get this moved down farther. Like I said, I'm trying to get down to that 40 level or something like that. And there, it's moving too fast on me. And see if we can get back down, down farther. The room opens up at like 8:45. We'd moved to a little bit later time. We'd been opening at 8 o'clock, but we're opening at 8:45, and looking for this possible call right around the open, and then we'll see what develops later in the day. Today we had a report at like 9:45, and I think that and then so we were pretty quiet, and we'll see what happens later on today. So like that, and then we get on top of that. We also teach the methodology, and I guess I'm rambling here, and I don't want to do that. And Mario will be teaching somebody tomorrow. Be a good time to learn, and then have it ready to go for the month of July when we come back on Tuesday. So that's it. We'll be closed on Monday with the holiday. We hope you all have a safe and happy holiday. And but we'll be back Tuesday morning like that at 8:45. We'll be here tomorrow. I think a lot of the markets close a little bit early, so we might be leaving a little bit early, but we will be here at 8:45. What we try to do is give you the best entries possible. And we do that all without using any indicators. We don't have a black box. We don't have proprietary indicators. We don't have anything. We just read the chart. We just read the prices as they are on the chart. And you can see with that thing trailing, it looks like we got up to like, I guess, 24 ticks of profit. And now it's, or no, excuse me, 22 ticks of profit we got up to. And now it's come back some. So, if you want to take a look at, charts that are really pretty easy to decipher, without, needing indicators, and we all know that indicators are always late, and you don't need a whole slew of indicators. It's just right off this chart. Right off this chart, we identify support and resistance, and we go from there. And we think the entries are really top notch. I have a lot of confidence in the entries. I have a lot of confidence to take them myself in my personal account. And I do take them. And then it's up to your trade management ability, and we'll help you with that. We help you with your trade management, but we don't know your individual psychology. Can you wait for 10 ticks even? Are you going to be out of this one in 3 ticks, 5 ticks, 7 ticks? We don't know any of that. But we hope to try to show you in these videos, how to develop discipline so that you can go for 10 ticks and then try to get more on the second one. It's not easy. Trading itself isn't easy, but we're trying the best we can, to give you as much information as possible, and then you adapt it to your style. But just know, half the battle is the entries and the other half is the exits, and we think we've got the entries pretty much locked down. And now with the exits, we can talk about different ways. And next week, in the video, I'll probably come up with another thing that I'm going to try. And what I'd like to do, okay, there we go, we got stopped out on that, is get some of you to try and help me out with coming up with the various methodologies. If you're trying one, I'd like to know about it. Maybe we can track it and we can see how that goes, and maybe that's a better way to go as far as following once you're in the trade. We've got one more opportunity coming up. It's getting close to the close of the oil market, but we've had this level posted for a couple hours in the room, and it's at 95.40. We've got resistance up there, and we're trying to see if we can get that filled. And that's the thing with our levels. They hold through the course of the day and until they're actually used. We had a gold level that hit early this morning, sometime this morning, around 9 o'clock. That was based on something that we called yesterday in the room. So there's a lot of opportunity for you to get back, to see that the levels do hold, and they hold until they're used. And they can be used either by being broken. And look at this. Okay, this is what we got to see. Like, it went up and touched our price. Okay, it went all the way up and touched our price, and it came down to the profit target. So it went up and touched our price. So I have to cancel this now. Okay, and I'll try to do that if I can hit that X. It's probably a better way to do it, but I can probably just close out down on the bottom. But I hope I get it. So I'm just canceling the position, okay? We got up to that 95.40, which is where we're going to. We didn't get filled. Checking with people in the room, 2 people in the room got filled. Most of the people didn't get filled. Look at that; it's going down even more. So anyway, that's an example of a trade management skill that you have to have. We didn't get filled on it, or I didn't get filled on it. This video didn't get filled on it. So we exit, no matter what it does from then. I know some people believe resistance is resistance is resistance and support is support is support, but as far as the room goes, we only take it one time, and like that, it reaches its profit target, and even now it's exceeding it. So we're not going to take advantage of this. Well, I think that's enough for today. One more time this week, we'll try to come up with a video for tomorrow. Have a great night. We'll see.